night feels never ending and my heart can't find its song, when the weight inside my chest makes me feel I don't belong, you step into my silence, into the place I've tried to hide, and you hold my trembling heart like it's something still alive. When hope feels far away, Lord, you come near. When I can't see tomorrow, your whisper still is clear. I'm not finished with your story, you're not walking this alone. When hope feels far away, I'm bringing you home. When the mirror shows my failures and the world feels cold and numb, when I question why I'm breathing